Hi, this is Ann Treinen here. So perhaps you've been at the gym and you've seen one of these blue-colored half balls and wondered what the heck it was and what it was used for. Well, it is called the BOSU Balance Trainer, and BOSU is spelled B-O-S-U, and it stands for both sides utilized. That being because you can do exercises on the top of the ball and flip it over and do exercises using the platform of the ball. It is an excellent tool as you can work so many body parts, but it really focuses on your core and your balance. So no matter what exercise you're doing, your core is always getting engaged because it's keeping you from rolling side to side on the ball. So I'm just going to go through a series of exercises to just give you an idea of all the different things you can do on it. And I'll show modifications along the way too, because this is something that is perfect for every fitness level. You don't have to be a star or professional athlete to do these workouts. It's a great thing, even if you have issues with your balance. There's a lot of stretches and balance exercises to help you get better balance. I guess that's all I can say. So again, not going to talk anymore. I'll just show you some exercises. Well, these are just some of the exercises you can do. If you want to check it out, come visit me Tuesday nights, 5:30 p.m. for a half-hour BOSU class. Any modifications you need, we'll work with you to give you the best workout you can get. Thank you.